Pre, mauna na ako.
Sige, Dre, ingat ka. May kailangan akong tapusin.
Okay.
Ingat.
Sige po. Okay.
Hi!
Wait lang po, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am, ano po yun?
May naiwan akong planner. Yun ata, oh. Planner.
Ito, ma'am. May nagsoli nga po eh. Pakicheck na lang po kung sa inyo po ito.
Ito yun. This is it.
Buti nga po may nakakita eh. Ma'am, may iniwan daw pong sulat dyan.
Sulat?
Opo, ma'am.
Sige. You fathered me like a princess, with love and butterfly kisses. You care and embrace her priceless. I pray for it to be endless. And yes, I may have no mother. Doesn't make me any lesser. For I know when we're together, you complete me, my dear father. Happy birthday, Daddy. I'll always love you.